strobe light does allow us to pick up extremely minor defects before they become major at a customer. The coating system converting equipment has many rollers. There can be a foreign object on one of these rollers that will have a repeat print every X number of inches, the circumference of the roll. And our customers print on these coatings. They have strobe lights and they will pick up the problems. If we have not picked them up, we have a problem on our hands. And it's worked great. We've already probably reduced our rejection rate at our customers by 80–90% easily.
So detecting those defects is pretty critical when it comes to the cost of quality. Defects could present themselves in an opportunity for us just to maybe remove a portion of the roll, which may be a limited amount of waste. It could prevent us from having to get a roll returned from a customer, which would incur freight charges, remanufacture charges, inspection charges. So waste can take many shapes and sizes. It could be small, it could be full roll, and capturing that as early as possible helps reduce those costs.